Good morning, Josh Cook here with JC Talent Stone. So we finished this job here yesterday and the homeowner called, and one of the sink tops he ordered only came with one of the holes drilled, yet he ordered a 3-hole top. So we're gonna go ahead and core out these holes for him so he can use his 3-hole faucet setup. What I was gonna show you is this variable speed receptacle that I made. Now a variable speed grinder, in which when you're coring holes, you're supposed to do it at a lower speed. And a variable speed grinder costs $200+. Regular grinder about 50 bucks. So I put together this variable speed receptacle for about $10 in Home Depot parts. All I did was wire in a rheostat light dimmer to a receptacle, ran my power, and now I can control the speed of my grinder with this box. I'll show you how it works. Here we are on the low setting, and we just turn this thing up. Back down for that variable speed. Now let's grind this hole. There you go, all done. Each hole took about 20-30 seconds. So I just wanted to share that hack with you. If you're not gonna be coring a lot of holes throughout your life, you don't wanna spend $200 plus on a variable speed grinder, go ahead and just make one of these, 10 bucks, Home Depot. Good hack. JC Talent Stone.